Vicks Vaporub is an ointment highly prized for its decongestant effects, generally used to relieve the symptoms of the common cold. This product also has many other uses. Here are 5. Used for many years to relieve headaches, cough and clear the bronchi. The benefits of Vicks Vaporub are no longer to be proven. This product, whose basic ingredients are camphor, eucalyptus, levamenthol and thymol, is a must in every home. But did you know that this medicinal product can also have other uses? Discover 5 different uses of Vicks Vaporub. To reduce stretch marks. Stretch marks refer to slight fissures that appear on the skin following a sudden and significant stretch of the latter, caused by considerable weight gain. Pregnancy. This problem usually affects women more than men and manifests themselves in different areas including the breasts, buttocks and belly. Stretch marks are not harmful to health, but are not appreciated for their unsightly appearance. There are several remedies for blurring them, including Vicks Vaporub. The moisturizing power of this product will make it possible to attenuate them if you repeat this trick regularly, until obtaining the expected results. All you need to do is apply Vicks Vaporub to the affected areas. Get rid of warts. Warts designate excrescences that appear on the skin. This skin condition is not dangerous or painful, but is very unsightly. How do you get rid of it? Vicks Vaporub is to the rescue. Apply a small amount on the wart, cover it with gauze and put on socks if the wart is on the feet. Be sure to repeat this tip twice a day, for 2 weeks, and you will notice that the wart will disappear gradually. Relieve athlete's foot. The athlete's foot is a mycocyst that touches the feet, especially the folds between the toes. The skin of this area becomes inflamed, red and is also characterized by the appearance of blisters that can become crevices. This condition is very troublesome, since it causes pain and itching. To alleviate the symptoms, go for Vicks Vaporub. Due to its composition, this product will help moisturize the skin and relieve inflammation. Apply this ointment sufficiently on your feet twice a day, to reduce pain and speed up the healing. To repel pets anywhere. The smell of the Vicks Vaporub is very strong and is hardly tolerated by animals. So, if your pet is not well trained and has become accustomed to urinating anywhere, place open Vicks Vaporub parts in places where it has marked its territory. This will discourage it to lift the leg to piss. To lose belly fat. Besides its various practical uses, Vicks Vaporub can also be a true slimming ally. Indeed, this product can help reduce the fat accumulated in the body, especially in resistant areas such as the belly. How to use. You must mix a sufficient amount of Vicks Vaporub, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of camphor and a few drops of alcohol. Mix all the ingredients well, until you get a homogeneous cream, then apply on the area in question. Massage the cream carefully, then cover the area to be treated with plastic wrap or put a sheath. If you have applied on the belly, leave on for 15 minutes, then remove. Apply this cream twice a week. This cream will help boost the burning of fat and reduce cellulite. This mixture of ingredients will have a heating effect on the skin, which will help activate the thermogenesis process. The temperature of the body will increase, following the application of this cream, which will push the body to tap into its reserves of fat to lower its temperature. But do not expect miraculous results. It is very important to get some exercise and eat healthy to be able to lose weight and burn fat. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.